Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you using free modeling to draw fluted panel. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing you can just come into your draw. You can go rectangle. So maybe I'll just put 50-50. Enter. Okay, then I got my size ready. Alright, next, I'm going to stretch it up. Okay, select it. Okay, I go nearer, select it like that. Then press stretch. Stretch come up. Okay, 2100. Okay. Once I'm done, hold the control button, left click to group it. Okay, then we combine it. Okay, or control G to group it. Okay, next we're going to use this array, line array. So before that, you must select this one. Okay, array, line array. Okay, when you see like that, just right click. Okay, so no more. Okay, then from here, press. So this is my 50, size 50. So I'm going to change it to 100. So just type 100. Okay, so my array, maybe I go for 20 or 25 or 50. Okay, okay, then I got my grouped. Okay, so I can just move them. Okay, so extra I can just leave it there for now. Alright, so once you're done ready, so I can just press return. Okay, so in array mode, we can just put texture like this. Go to library. Okay, come to this one. Open. Okay, so maybe I just use this color. When I come here, you see or not? It said press shift for the whole group. So press shift, let go. Okay, so there you go. So I have my fluted panel using free modeling. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.